are about to witness the incredibility of mushrooms. With this video, we wanted to show you how food grows. For this purpose, of all the food that grows in this world, we chose mushrooms. In this video, we will take you on a mesmerizing journey as we capture the astonishing transformation of pink oyster mushrooms, one of the nature's most vibrant fungi. Watch till the end of the video to know how long it took us to shoot this video. Before that, how long do you think mushrooms take to grow? Let us know in the comments. You must be wondering how we set the stage to record this video. Well, pink oyster mushrooms thrive in humid, warm conditions. We have created the perfect environment with just the right amount of light and moisture. From selecting the best substrate to inoculating it with mushroom spawns, we have put in the groundwork for this exciting experiment. Are you also excited to see the growth so far? Don't forget to click the thumbs up button of this video. It encourages us to bring more meaningful and intriguing content to you. Keep your eyes peeled. You are witnessing magic called nature. Look closely at the change in color and the growth. Isn't it incredible? In just hours, these tiny pins transform into beautiful, vibrant clusters. Their bright pink hue is not just eye catching, it's a sign of their health and vitality. Let's break down what you are seeing. Initially, they start as small pins, which are the baby mushrooms. As they absorb nutrients from the substrate, they begin to swell and expand, developing into full grown mushrooms. Notice how they go from pinheads to fully formed caps in a matter of hours. If you love what you are watching, consider clicking the subscribe button so that you don't miss more mind blowing stuff we want to show you. Look at these stunning pink oyster mushrooms. This video took us 24 hours to record, and you have watched this video sped up 240 times. To see these 24 hours, we waited a month for the mycelium to grow. While this variant of mushroom grows fast, there are other variants of mushrooms and a lot more crops that take a long time to grow. So be very mindful about food wastage. There are many who struggle even for one meal a day and access to clean water. Anyway, now it's time to harvest.